here. And these are some of the books that I'm showing around. These are books that were written in Belize and here. And we have collected them for the purpose of...
This is my drawing here.
That was your drawing. Oh my
And
goodness.
there's some of my drawing in this book also.
I happen to know him because he used to drive us to the school board.
Oh,
And then I was mechanic for school board.
wow, wow.
Oh my
Small world.
goodness.
Right.
So let's go around and introduce ourselves so Adolfo and Mingo can get to know us a little bit. Let's start with Mr.
Cruz.
Noguera.
Well, I'm from Belize. My parents are from Honduras. So I left Belize originally when I was 27, 28, somewhere. And came to New York. And then from New York I came to Los Angeles. And I've retired now for 20 years from the board. The Board of Education, LA Board of Education. That's my,
Thank you, Mr. Noguera.
you
Ms. Amalia?
Amalia Rylander. I'm originally from Belize. I live here in the United States. And I don't know how I found out about this class for the school.
You called me, I remember, but that's how.
We all forget.
I wanted to take Spanish, although I speak Spanish, just to keep my language fresh. It just didn't work. I came to California too late. But then the next week I found out about this curriculum class, and I joined, and I'm really happy that I did.
Thank you.
Vincent Blanco, my brother. Now yeah, we have. You know, my mother and father, you know, used to participate.
Very good close friend of mine.
Yeah.
Our parents?
Yes.
Oh
Did
my
you know Mingo was
goodness.
in the Olympics? Mom and Papa was there.
I worked for the Olympic in '84 in Los Angeles.
I remember going to that.
And I'm Michelle Goldwasser, and sorry we're late, but we were hugging in the parking lot.
Oh, Scientology.
Next.
My name is Isani Figueroa, and I came to the classes today so I could help record and learn the language.
Thank you, Sally.
Hi, I'm Sally Mason, and this is my second series because I really don't have anyone to practice with, so I'm having a little trouble with the language. But I love it, and I've always been intrigued by drumming. I don't know, I just love drumming. It's the strangest thing, but I love it. And I want to learn a little bit that the women can do okay, you know, and without insulting anybody. And I also have been to Degrig a couple times, so I want to be able to maybe do some little dialoguing. Nothing heavy, but just a few, words. Yeah, I think that's it.
My name is Allison Broach. I'm a PhD student at the University of Virginia, and I came to Los Angeles to kind of see what's going on with the community in Los Angeles. So it's kind of a part of my research, and I need to get my language skills in here. So.
Thank you.
My name is Maria. I came to learn Garifuna to speak to my family members.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Karina, and I just came to the class to learn more about the history of our people and learn the language.
Titi Binafi.
Binafi.
Queen Smith Mary Bay. I came to the class to learn Garifuna and to speak to my parents and grandparents.
Very well. My name is Mingo. My full name is Carlos Domingo Alvarez. I'm from Trujillo, Honduras. And Trujillo was the city where the Garinagu, by the way, Garinagu is plural for Garifuna, where the Garinagu landed in mainland after we had got exiled from St. Vincent Island. So.
No, we fast.
No, if I go too fast, please
No,
tell me. I will slow down. I have a lot of stories with that because I mean, I've been through almost anything. And our conscience about Garifuna Duwo. Garifuna Duwo means the way of Garina, the way of Garifuna. Either philosophical, cultural, educational, etc., etc. Garifuna Duwo, the way of being, or the way of Garina. And at early age, and I consider myself a cultural activist. And I've been doing since I made my first drum while I was probably around 6 years old.
Wow.
I've been building drums ever since then. And I started to teach Garifuna systematically way back in 1977 when we raised Don Justo Mena set up a school here in Los Angeles in 77th Street and Western Avenue. That was the first school that I know of dedicated to teach Garifuna to people in general, children, adults, etc. And of course, the school got canceled because we ran out of students. And ever since then, I always have a motivation that I can always give to my community what I have learned from my community. Drumming, I started playing the drum right around the first time I made my first drum. And I've been performing with different cultural groups as either dancer, drummer, and also choreographer. And to tell you a little bit about myself, yes, I went to school in Honduras. Graduated as an elementary school teacher in Tegucigalpa, Honduras, in 1972. From then, I came to the U.S., not in 1973, the following year, because I taught Spanish in the Instituto Pompilio Ortega, Villanueva Cortés, San Pedro Sula, Honduras, for 1 year. So in 1973, I came to the U.S. I wanted to learn English so bad. And believe it or not, in 3 months, I was already helping my friends that I met here as an interpreter. In 3 months. And I did not speak any word in English when I first came in. But I taught myself. When I was going to adult classes, it cost 25 cents then to get registered. Down like high school. And I mean, to me, it wasn't enough. And I bought the cheapest radio you can think of with a cassette recorder, and I started teaching myself how to speak English. And up to today, I still do not like to watch Spanish television. I will watch English television because I wanted to see and learn the words they were saying. And of course, I kept on studying. I went to several schools here in LA. Took some classes at UCLA, graduated from Los Angeles, I graduated from Los Angeles Straight Tech College as electronic and computer maintenance technician in 1981. And from then on, I kept on going back and forth to school until I became 1982, biomedical electronic technician from Los Angeles Valley College, and I kept on going and up to today, believe it or not. But I refuse to go anymore to school because I think I'm old. Okay, but yeah, there's still chances over there and opportunity for people to advance if they want to, especially young children. Please do it. It will make your life a lot easier when you get my age. It's education. Yeah. So actually, I'm working at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center as a biomedical electronic technician. Yes, I have an unfinished biomed degree in engineer. So I have designed a couple test equipment for electronics, a couple electronic test equipment that are used to test medical equipment. And we use them at Cedars-Sinai. We've been using them for the last 25 years, and we still use them now. The new equipment that have been invented 25 years later. So this is my life. Any questions so far?
What's the name of the gentleman that had the first school of growth in Justo, or I can't catch the name?
Julio Mena.
Mena.
Yes.
Thank you. And then what is biomedical equipment? Is that like the things you go in the MRI,
Well,
that kind of
actually,
thing?
it sounds easy and it sounds interesting, and I think it is interesting, and it's very, very complex. You do with computers. And also does with repairing, maintenance of medical equipment. And when I say the word maintenance, it's come to preventive maintenance, and also it has to do a lot with patient safety. And we have to know a lot of code in order to, let's say, for instance, Aerospace had invented a patient monitors, a new anesthesia machine that they want to put it in the market. It has to come to a biomedical department so it can be evaluated for safety reasons more than anything else. And functionality, of course, before it can be put into service. I do that. So I do facilitate medical equipment. And also I repair on-site patient monitors, telemetry, defibrillators, anesthesia machine, and now we have robots that do like extremely precise surgery, and of course aided with computer. So what I do also have to know what you call networking, like a wireless network transmission between computers, and how they communicate with the, let's say, intranet with the internet, and that would allow any physician or surgeon to be in New York or England and help this doctor here in OR perform a surgery, and they could see absolutely everything live today. So I get involved in repairing and putting up all these network that we use. Sure.
I'm curious, do you go back to Honduras a lot? Or?
A lot. I just got back about three weeks ago. Yeah.
And do you do any of this kind of stuff over there? Or is it primarily the United States? Yeah. No.
Well, what I have done in the past, I have taken some equipment like electrosurgical generators and patient monitors that I get from my job. They give it to me, or they are about to be trashed, and decide that I want to repair them, and I take them and donate it to the hospital. But guess what happens? 3 months later, I go, it's gone. Yeah. So I stopped doing that.
Can I ask one more question? Did you grow up speaking Garifuna?
Of course.
And did your family still speak Garifuna in Honduras?
Yes. And unfortunately, I don't many kind of my dad and my